Hey guys, Aaron here. Today I'm going to do a quick video on how to program a universal Chamberlain wireless keypad. All right, so as you see, this is pretty much everything that's in the box. You've got your instructions here, which you will need, and you'll need the ID off your instructions based on the current opener you have, your keypad here, and then inside your box you also have two mounting screws. As you can see, this works with pretty much all major brands. Today I'm using it with my Craftsman, but I've used it on Genie before as well. You have your keypad here, and you have your battery compartment here, and the battery comes pre-installed. So really it's just as soon as you pull it out of the box, you can program it. You also have mounting holes here and one actually sitting behind the battery. So you'd take this off and pull the battery out, and you'll see the mounting screw holes, and you can see the mounting screw holes back here. But today we're just going to go ahead and get it programmed. All right, so first we're going to identify what our existing opener is. Like I said, I've got a Craftsman with a purple button, and we want to remember that. All right, so here's where the color of our button is important here. Because we have a purple button, our ID number is 3. If you were using a Genie, it might be 5 or 6, or if you had a different color button that's identified here. But this is where you're going to identify your ID number, which we are going to use here in just a minute. All right, so to program it, what we're going to do is we're just going to hold down these two buttons here until it stops flashing. Then we're going to enter our PIN, and for this video I'm going to use just 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we're going to hit the pound button. Then we're going to enter our ID, which was 3. We're going to hit the pound button again. We're going to go up to our opener here. We're going to hold down the purple button until you see the light come on. Now that light's going to stay on for 30 seconds. We're going to come back to our keypad. We're going to type in our code, 3, 4, and we're going to hit 0. Now we're going to wait for the light to go out. Now it is important to note that if you are programming with a Genie opener, you need to press the 0 key twice. Then we're going to type in the code again, hit 0. All right guys, and there you go. That's pretty much all there is to it. As always, if you're not already a subscriber, be sure to click that link below and become one, and we'll catch you on the next one.